All right, you trader nerds, welcome in. It is a Friday. Sweet Bobby with you as we like to trade together. Why do we like to trade together? Because we are a team, baby. And with a team, that means going out there, not for 60 minutes, but for each individual play. We are meticulous. We go by a plan, a written trading plan. It is our playbook, baby, and we do not deviate from the playbook. The playbook tells us what we can do, and we are ready, willing, and able to execute to the best of our ability. Now, if you're like me, I used to be a bad trader. I still say I'm the worst trader on the planet, but I ain't as bad as I used to be. You know why? Because I go out there with full intensity, baby. I go out there with the intensity that cannot be matched by a single another person. We go out there. That's what we do. We win each and every trade that we go in. And if we lose a trade, we forget about it. We learn about it. We learn from it, but we go on to the next trade, baby, because we know, you and I, that we have a 90 something percent probability of profit. We know that each and every trade that we put on has a 99% probability of being right where we want to be. Now, every now and then, we will get kicked in the mouth like an old dump truck. Dump truck? Like an old goat, kicking you right aside the mouth and slobber coming out the sides. But it doesn't bother us because we know that we might win or lose an individual trade, but we will win the battle, baby. That is us. The market is up 1.11%. Go, baby, go. It is bulls away. VIX is down to 14.05. The AD is negative. How in the earth can AD be negative when it's making highs on the day? This is the overnight high. We got 4,900 other people that are trading every 2 minutes, just like us, going into this market and extrapolating profits in a statistical fashion. That's what you and I do, and we do it day in and day out, and we never stop. We never quit. It doesn't matter what the scoreboard says. We don't look at the scoreboard. We look at the plan. We look at the execution. We have a plan. If you beat me because I've got a plan, then the market beats me. But I know exactly what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to deviate from the plan. And y'all shouldn't either. And if you don't have a written plan, you need a written plan because it holds us accountable, baby. That's what we have and what we need. So I'm very excited. All right. So let's see how we're going to do a trade today in the account that is this little one here, right? So this one is at 42,518. 42,518. Let's see what she looks like. And I'm not looking at the green mustard because it doesn't matter. It's time to draw another one. And we will draw that in our Muscadine Mafia session. 42,518. 42,518. We are down, but we are not out. Now, the reason that Victor told us that we were down is none other because we are down because of our shares in Bill that went ex-dividend yesterday. But guess what? The 7th is coming. And on the 7th, you and I are going to get a payment of probably 42 cents for each share of Bill that we have. Come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come. We are ready for it. So today is the second, it's Groundhog Day, baby. I've got on my sunglasses because I don't want to see my shadow. That's why. And it is 2/2/24. We are doing great. We are up 1.17. Actually, we're more than that because we're going to get that bill dividend. But we are up 117%. That is better than Bernie Madoff on a bad, soggy Saturday. So we are doing good. All right, so let's go and see what our Greeks and ratios are in this little account here. Let's see. Where's my little thing at? Oh, let me hide all my stuff. Boy, this is exciting. Hope you are excited as I am. I love this stuff. All right, here we go. Let's hide it. Hide my stuff. Go to privacy mode and move it over to the side. All right, so here we go. So bring this down, Bob. There we go. 3 screens, baby. You don't need but one. We got 3. All right, so we're going to trade this account today. It looks like this one. And we are up. Let's see. That's not it. It's this one here. Here we go. Make sure I'm trading the right one. Hold on. Here we go, baby. There we go. Let's get it off there. Now let's take off this one. Let's make sure this is it. Balance is long equity 123. Is that it? Or is that the other one? Hold on. We got so many accounts here. Give me a second. Wow, this one's up $4,200 today. That one has delta, but no theta. So it is this one, y'all. We are at 35.42. 35 deltas, 42 thetas. What does that mean? Let's go put it in our spreadsheet. 35 and 42. I don't like it, y'all. 35 and 42 is not enough. Uh-oh. 42 is not enough sweet, sweet, sweet nectar of the gods theta. 35 and 42 is not where I want to be. Now it's at 0.10, but I want to push the boundaries of what we can do. And the buying power that we are utilizing for this account is none more than, let's go to our positions. And our bill is 30,000. So we've only got 8,900. We got plenty more juice we got to put into the coffers here, baby. So we'll probably do a 2-lotter today to get our theta back up where it needs to be. So let's go in and do our trades. Now we here, ladies and gentlemen, do a little old trade that you might have heard of. It's called the 112, and we hope you'll join us in the 112 trade. So let's go to the trade tab. Let's go here. Let's go to the macros. And we're going to go to the table mode. We're going to go out 120 days. And at 120 days, so that would be 120 or 139. We're going to go to 105 days. That's where we're going. 105 days. And we're going to go buy us a put debit spread. We'll probably buy where we bought and sold where we sold. So I want the 25 delta or so. Oh, we can do it. 4750, 4700. Let's do that. 4750. 4,700. I don't have any positions there. And let's do us I don't know, man. I'm ready to push it. Let's do a 3-lot. Y'all ready for that? 3, baby. So there we are at 675. Wow, that's cheap. Let's see if we can pay 680 and get in these things. So a 3-lot. Boom! Chakalaka, chakalaka, chaboom. Now we go down to the 5% probability of being in the money. And where is that? I can't see out of my sunglasses. Let's see. 5% probability of being in the money is about right here.
Bobby,
The 40. What, man? I've been with the class.
squad base.
What?
You have no squad base.
What?
You have 2 eggs.
Oh. All right. So let's go here. And we said we were going to do a 3-lot. So that means we're going to do 6 of these things. 6? You darn right we're doing 6 because we are excited that it's Friday. So 6, I'm going to try to get 14 for them. Let's see if we can get in and wallop it, baby. Hit the button, Jack. Hit the button once, hit it twice, hit it 3 times. So we got to make it a little bit less appealing. Where's my darn working orders? Hold on. Come on, man. Here we go. There we go. Working 3750. That is not going to work. So let's go replace that order and we'll move it down to 1375. And boom, baby, we are in. And it's just like that. Oh my God. What was that? It's an after effect. That's how you do it. That's the 112 trade. What does it look like? It looks something like this. How do you go? Positions. You hit on the P&L button. Look at, wait a minute. That don't look good at all. Oh my God. What is this? Did I do it in the wrong account? That doesn't look like our account. What's wrong, y'all? That looks nothing like what our account is. So we got bill, we got ES. This is the account. That's how you do it. Y'all have a good weekend. I will see y'all Monday.